you doing?
I'm making sure it's foot long. Your dad. Daddy is the reason why I love sausages.
It's been 3 years since I chose not to have sex. You know?
Are you sure it's a choice?
What do you mean?
It's creamy like your father.
I know.
Yeah.
Mom!
You wanna build a lesbian? Yes, I did. With your dad. Hey, are you okay? Is the table broken?
Can you,
this one?
what, yeah.
I love you, my daughter. Don't go to work. Please, help me. Are you gay? No. Are you lesbian? No. Any of the alphabets? No. Okay, talk. I'm just dusting this old woman. What look are you going for today? Maui or the Rock?